So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Rinnai 199. It's the RUR series, so it's got a circulation pump in it. It's on propane. So here is your model number and of course your serial number. And if you take that over to Rinnai.us.com, whatever the website, we gave you the registration card. Go to that website, give them the serial number, all your details. They'll get your warranty going on this. I do believe if you register this within 30 days, they're going to give you 5 years of labor instead of 1 year labor. So keep that in mind. Here's your Wi-Fi module sitting on the side. Keeping in mind the Wi-Fi module needs to stay level. So we've got it right against this. It's a little indent right here, you can see. So we just push it against there so we know it's level. Parameters are already set inside. It's set for 120 on the circulation loop, which is the only temperature you can get it at, and it's on comfort. So it'll circulate every 15 minutes. We used some of the plumbing. These pipes right here coming out, we turned them a little bit. We could feel that there's movement in the wall, so it's probably PEX pipe, and it's not connected, it's not stabilized with a riser in the wall, so we didn't take these out. But we did give you a new shutoff valve here for the cold water, because before it was just the flexible line went straight into the unit, so there was no way to shut the actual water off from the well right here. So that's your water, and you can shut that off. Brand new Falcon stainless steel connector coming up to the cold side, and then of course the hot side, we just left this fitting on and comes up to the hot side, so that's good. Pressure relief valve comes with the unit, and so if you get too much pressure in the unit, this will pop off, and I believe it's 150 psi. And it'll dump water out here. So we just reused some of your that galvanized pipe that you had on your old unit. We cut it down because you can be 24 inches above grade, and that's what we are there. So that's run. Your isolation kit's installed. You can see it's a Milwaukee a Rinnai product, and I believe they're made by Matsui. But that's your flush kit, your hot and your cold. We pointed the cold over this way because the relief line's kind of in the way, so you can get a hose on there and flush this out once a year. Where we connected to the isolation kit, those are brass nipples, because we got a brass valve, so we put brass in there. That helps, but the main thing is you've got iron pipe here and there. We didn't do the original plumbing, so I don't know what's inside the wall, but that's what you've got. Brand new gas shutoff valve. Again, you had a flexible connector tied right into the gas main, and then it went up, and the valve was up there, which is backwards. I mean, not a real big deal because the gas shutoff is right there. But what we did is we just connected a new pipe, gave you a new shutoff valve, and so now, without shutting the whole house down, you can just shut this unit off, which is helpful. Then, of course, a brand new corrugated line, coated line up there, and so that's good. Right now, it's in between cycles, and 63, 120. Don't know what that means because I'm not a technician, but yeah, I'll find out what that means. Anyways, everything's put back together. That's your old bracket from the Navian. The screw right there is busted off, and so we can't get that bracket off the wall. And so just 2 screws in. You can see one up there, and then of course one down here, and those are 2-inch screws. So anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.